It may be difficult to find a household disinfectant in the store right now. However, it's so important for us to clean and sanitize all surfaces to prevent the spread of illness. Cleaning a surface means you removed food particles, dirt, and other substances from the surface. Disinfectant is needed to remove bacteria and viruses from a surface. It's really important that you clean a surface before you apply disinfectant so that none of that food particles or dirt gets in the way of the disinfectant from doing its job. The CDC recommends using a store-bought disinfectant solution if you are able to get one. However, if you're not, the next best option is to create your own bleach solution at home. I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's really easy. First things first, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. I'm outside today since it's not raining, so plenty of fresh air here. In order to make the solution for a large batch, you're going to mix 1/3 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water. To make a smaller batch like I'm making here today, you're going to take 4 teaspoons of bleach, add it to 1 quart of water, and put it in a spray bottle. Make sure you clearly mark that spray bottle so that you know what you're using later on. If you don't have bleach available, some common first aid solutions might be helpful. You can use a 3% concentration of hydrogen peroxide, which is what comes in the bottle, so there's no need to dilute this one. You can also use a 70% concentration of alcohol. This is also what's in a bottle of isopropyl or rubbing alcohol, so you likely already have this in your medicine cabinet. You can put a little bit of alcohol on a towel and use it to clean your small electronics and your phones. Tempted to use vodka in place of that alcohol? Let's leave this one in the liquor cabinet. Vodka and other alcohols that people drink simply are not a high enough concentration of alcohol to do the job. You may have also heard that distilled white vinegar is a safe, natural alternative to the bleach solution. However, this is simply not true. There is no evidence to suggest that vinegar can sanitize a surface the way that bleach does. Regardless of whether you're using a store-bought solution or one that you've made at home, pay attention to the contact time. That's the amount of time that the solution needs to work on a surface to be effective. For our bleach solution, it's about 1 minute. But store-bought solutions can take up to 4 minutes to do the job, so make sure you read the labels and follow those exactly. Please visit the CDC website for additional information. Stay well, everyone, and keep washing your hands.